and I'm doing better in 2023 because I'm too old to be late everywhere. It's your girl B with 2 E's back at it again with another mother loving video. I have not said that in such a long time. But what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? Happy New Year! So I just dropped Winston off to go get his haircut, and I am so nervous because I've never cut it down this low. And I'm also about to catch up with an old friend and get some coffee. And I'm also about to link with my cousins later on today. So let's get into it. I just want to point out that your girl is on time. The meetup time was 9:30 and it is 9:29, and I'm on time. And I'm doing better in 2023 because I'm too old to be late everywhere. I'm trying to be a better person. But yeah, that's the that is the move. Child, that would run out of dishes right when it's my turn to get coffee. Yeah, my little curl just going away. But, oh, this is better lighting right here. Okay. But yeah, I just finished up my little outing. It was fun. The place was really, really cute. I do see myself coming back here, whether that be like with just catching. It's a good place to catch up with somebody that you haven't seen in a long time. Because like the atmosphere is clean, they have nice music, got a good coffee, got little sandwiches. So it was cute. It was cute. I'm about to go pick up Winston. I'll be back. So he's back. Winston. Okay, I gotta put a before and after. But look, Tuka. Wait, hold on, y'all. Say hi. Say hi. Look at you. Hold on. Let me try to. Look. You're so handsome. Okay, thank you. You're so handsome. Look at that man. Look at that man. Girl, he's so fed up. So I'm back at my place, and I'm about to really just get into some homework before I start my festivities for tonight, because yeah, schoolwork comes first, kids and adults who are in school. Get that work done, and then we can have some fun, and that's what I'm finna do. Winston, say hi. Hey. Hey. Oh, not my. Hold on. Hey. Oh. Hey. So your girl just finished her homework. Work is finito. Let's get into a good time. They just texted me and told me that they're about to leave. I'm going to insert the timestamp. As you can see, your girl is not dressed. Okay, but yeah, let's see how fast I can get my there and head out the motherfucking door. Can't really. The lighting is here. Maybe that's it. Maybe. I'm watching The Good Place again because I've seen all the seasons. Anyway, so you can't really see my fit. I honestly don't have time to set up to show y'all because I'm already late. I'm gonna go meet my cousins at the spot, and I'll see you guys there. Y'all, it's no way. I went to go charge my phone last night after I got back and woke up on the couch this morning. It is 7:35 a.m. How did I end up there? I must have been tired. Yeah, I had been tired. I was supposed to go somewhere else after the day party, but I went to sleep. Lord have mercy. But I'm about to get myself together, start my day, my Sunday off. I found this church in Durham that I'm thinking about going to, but they have a live service, so I'm going to watch that, see if I get a feel, if I like it, and then I'll go next Sunday. So I'm excited about that. But anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. I know I look a mess. It is what it is. I love you, and I hope you have an amazing week. And remember that you are loved. I'm out.